on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I have a video that I forgot to do an intro on. I went to the National Fishing Expo here in Columbus, Ohio. I ended up winning a trip on Lake Erie with NPFL Pro Quinlin. He took some time out of his day to take me out fishing, and I was able to show him a few jigs that I make, as well as use one of his rods, which is bird dog rods, to catch a catfish out of all places. So with the timing and everything, we started at 7 o'clock and immediately jumped into it. I mean, we didn't go very far. Unfortunately, Lake Erie had a lot of waves coming in, winds coming out of the north, pretty high up. So but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Guy running his dinghy. I used to live in Alaska. That was fun. Going up there fishing for halibut and stuff. It's weird how these seawalls can hold fish. They're only vertical. Right. Got your co-pilot. Morning. I wish my dog would do that.
I got short hair. I've actually got 10 short hair, but I just had to look at the. You got on a bite one year on concrete seawalls, anywhere there was a big crack. You pitch a jig in that crack, instantly.
Interesting.
That had to be a perch. He hit that so hard. There's plenty of water and everything in that cooler. If you want anything at all, I put that ice in there.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Kind of switching fish and tire fishing, spinner baiting, buzz bait, jig first.
Yep.
And if none of that works,
Then they slow down.
Look at some other stuff.
I'm the same way. I think it's because where we live at. That's what.
Yes, yeah, that's got a lot to do with it.
Because I'm a spinner bait, buzz bait. You know, my brother, he lives in Illinois still, and I usually go every year to his go fish with him, and he's usually like, he always told me, he's like, man, use a jig. And I'm like, man, I don't know, because I can do jigs too. I do Arky style grass jigs and stuff like that. So, and he's like, man, you gotta use a jig here. And I'm like, Quinlin Lake, and I'm like, I'm not a jig guy. I have to slow down.
Clinton, the power plant lake.
Yeah.
I won a big regional tournament over there 8-9 years ago.
Yeah, I was just actually I went to Homer, that was last year, but I went to Clinton 2 years ago. We fished a tournament on there.
It's on the back side of that little. There's got to be one. Got to be.
There's something over there. It's too fishy, right? Is that what? If you smell it, you know they're bluegill.
Yeah, it was a 2-day tournament out there on Clinton. And we run up, when you come out of the ranch, you go up towards the hot water discharge.
Yep.
Nobody went up there because the water was so hot. This was late summer.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nobody goes up there.
We went past it to the next causeway, and there's like a little trough that runs in front of that causeway, the lengthwise of it.
Yeah.
And I was throwing a 1/2-ounce spinnerbait, and I was catching them every cast. And we had 17 pounds something, first 5 fish. We had it won both days in the first 10 minutes we were on that causeway, both days. And but then we started flipping jigs.
Yeah.
And culled out several fish both days flipping stumps. Was he on there?
You were running with it. Probably a bluegill.
Could have been.
I had 44 spinner baits. It was like all different combinations because back then it was like that's like Bill Dance was doing a lot of it. And, because this was back in 96. I'm dating myself there, but 94, 95, 96 era. And I absolutely just loved it because it was like, I can throw it out, I can reel it in, I can speed it up, slow it down, do whatever I need to with it.
Yep.
And that's what I was used to, was the just fishing with that. And then I joined the service and didn't get a whole lot of chance. I fished down in Arkansas a little bit because that's where my first duty station was. And then I moved to England and fished Xander over there, which is their walleye.
Yeah.
So awesome. I fished out a little bit and then turned around and moved to Alaska. Got all my fishing equipment back. And that was kind of fun, but did halibut and salmon fishing up there. Totally different than bass fishing.
Oh, man.
Especially when you're out in the ocean and it's like 150 feet deep. You're catching them off the bottom, bringing these barn doors up.
Thing all the way up through there and post some rocks.
Oh,
Was he on it?
no, I don't know what in the world happened there. I don't know if he hit it and I hit the tree or what. That was weird. I feel there's a tree over there.
Maybe a rock hanging out.
Might be. that was weird. Well, he was already out here with you.
Yeah.
He already picked it up and was halfway to Middle Bass Island. I do catch fish and be able to enjoy life than to be, you know, be like to where he can't, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I must have hit a rock though, because it went toward the bank. Weird. But yeah, anyway, they so like a lot of times it's like, yeah, you're in partnerships versus sponsorships. And I'm okay with that too. I don't want anything for free. That's what I always tell them. Like with all my military background and everything, I don't believe in handouts, you know, and I want to be able to enjoy life. And sometimes when I have to enjoy life, it comes at a cost. So I will be more than happy to, you know, I would be more than happy to pay. And a lot of guys are like, well, we can give you a discount. Great, that's perfect. I'm fine with that. I don't need anything. I don't want anything given to me.
You want a stupid tip? Want me to make you one up?
Oh, I have them. Appreciate it. It's probably wore out by now, right?
Well, I actually took it apart, spun it halfway around,
And then
re-rigged it, which works for a little bit. But,
well, then it gets tore up and.
yeah, I get pretty wore out. Oh, it's a good one.
He hit it hard too. Stay down. Yeah. Right in the corner of the mouth. But you can't ask for a better hook. So there. There's another one. Oh,
Come on.
yep. He must have just barely have a hold of it. Either that or it was on a rock. I blame the rocks. Yeah, so Zach Weisman is the guy that has those other chatterbaits I made for him. And he goes, I want a 5/0 Kawagatsu hook. And I, dude, that's a gaff.
Yeah.
And he goes, I want it in 3/8 ounce. I'm like, dude, and he goes, I want double bait keepers. I'm like, dude, you are putting a lot of strain on me, okay? I made it work. But that's beside the point. Dave checking up on you?
Yeah,
Ain't it good? Be like, no, we caught a 16 pounder.
Look at there. That's better.
Nice. Yeah, that's better than any of the ones we've had. Ooh, heck yeah. Very nice. On a dumb tube. He was dumb enough to eat it. Peeing, yep. Peeing something fierce, isn't he? He's caught it. The rocks. Yeah. Yep.
Well, I'm wanting to catch one on the coast. Bring him over this way and see what we can do. That's a pretty good one. You want to keep him?
No.
Come here, boy. Come here, we'll let you go.
He wanted that tube.
Come on, man.
Thank you. Hey, this can hold up to a catfish.
Yeah.
If you haven't already.
The only thing they don't hold up to is dead stick. Like if you got big fish on,
Yeah.
hold it straight up, and it double bends, they don't like that. This 4A graphite is really thin, it's really light, and it's strong, but it will not, it won't take the dead stick.
Now I wonder if that was what was hit yours over there.
You know,
I thought it was a big 10-pound bass.
I don't think I had it on long enough to tell because catfish will start rolling.
Right.
And I probably didn't have it on long enough to tell. But it did start rolling.
At their face.
You guys killing it? Catch a few. Any keepers? Yeah, some keepers. Nothing big though.
Does that?
18's a keeper. What's
Yeah.
that? 18's a keeper. Oh yeah. You want a tournament?
No.
No, we're just fishing.
We're in a
Got one right there?
Yep.
Good.
we're in a tournament with ourselves. Let's- Heck yeah. Nice. By golly.
Both hooks too. Been in a tournament, he could probably jump. Come on.
Nice. And we got it on camera for you.
Ah, cool.
Got it on a quikey. It's all quikey. So whenever I told you that the transition period, or that, look at that, talking about a skin hook.
Leave it in there just a second. Let's get a picture of that. Got it.
That's crazy.
Awesome.
Yeah, so this one was, see that big rock right here on this side close to these weeds?
Yep.
He was right there. And I said there was probably going to be one right in there.
Yep.
Yeah, skin hook. That's actually a nice, pretty looking fish there.
14 inches.
Oh yeah. Oh, it gave us a little show. I'm gonna say you caught a plastic bag.
I caught a tree and then caught a bag, and I was just lucky to get that thing in here. Oh man.
There it is, another one. Very nice.
He hit it a couple times.
That's round 2, and they choked it. No, that same chatterbait. Come on, that's a bigger one.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger.
Better. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice one.
Yep.
A little bit smaller, but hey, it works. Nice little. Oh my God. This is the reason why I can't put these down when I know I made it, but it's like, look how beat up it is. The head is showing the lead and everything. Oh. Right at the pillar.
Stupid.
Yep. Stupid. Oh, and that one's probably spawning. Look at it.
Yeah.
Here, how's that? Does that work for you?
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Yeah. It was right there at that, right at that
On that post.
post. Yep. He hit it once. I missed it. Threw it back in there. Hit it again. Oh, I saw that.
Good gravy.
I saw that one.
There's 2 there.
Yeah, you snapped right into there and they turned on it, didn't they? Oh my Lanta. Man, this is getting good. I don't either. That was good. Got him on a dumb tube. Yeah, as soon as you threw up in there. Oh, you son of a bucker. Did you see that? He's up there. There's a bed right there. That's why. Mother trucker. Come on. Come on, we get back in there. Get back in there. He turned on it and I missed him. And that, it's those rocks. Dang it. It didn't take very long for him to grab a hold of that one. Oh my God. Dang it, I can't believe I missed that one. You know, it's right there where you threw.
Yeah.
And he come out and grabbed the tube and he took off and I must have got a hook in it because it's not eating it anymore. It's gun shy. There you go. Somebody will get it. It's right on that edge. Dang it.
He might be a little gun shy now.
Oh, he was tapping it. It wants to make sure you're still awake over there. That's why they do that. Oh my gosh. Dang it. I saw that.
Dave just told me, hey, he said, you can throw that like a jerk bait over that grass.
Yes, he came up and got it. I saw that, dude.
That's pretty cool.
I was like, oh, he's coming back.
Nice little fish.
Yeah, I saw him. I was like, oh, he's coming back, and bam.
Yep, he got it.
Oh my gosh, dude.
You can sight fish them out here. I mean,
Interesting. That was awesome, dude.
a lot of times they won't eat it if it's hung up on the grass. He even ate it hung up on the grass.
Oh, he ate it big time.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. All right. That was awesome. Good teamwork.
Yep.
I was like, oh, you're too far. You brought it in. I was like, oh, he ain't going to eat it because there was grass. He didn't give a crap about the grass.
He didn't care about the grass. He just gonna eat it.
This is freaking crazy. You know that they're... Why are they so hungry like that, though?
Oh,
I wonder if it's because they were on beds.
I always catch them up here like that. I mean, you get something around them, they eat
Yeah, because I saw a lateral line. That's how I noticed that guy. A black line right in the middle of all of it. And I was like, what the heck? Oh, wow. That was... Fish.
Coming on. Oh, it's a pretty good one too. Heck yeah. That might be the best one.
Ah,
I got a picture of him.
that's right. I got him. He's got some cool markings. That's cool.
Got it.
Yeah, I caught him off the where that big like pipe is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was right off of there. That's a nice fish. Off that rock you were saying. How many boats go in and out of here?
Yeah, how many boats in a day's time? 1, 2.
Oh, this one's a little fatty.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's a different, look at that. The color's different.
Yeah.
Looks so different than what those others are. Lateral line is way up there. It's crazy. Nice. So, as you can see there, that was my trip to Lake Erie with NPFL Pro, Mike Quinlin. Awesome dude. I couldn't ask for a better person to take me out on Lake Erie. Unfortunately, the waves were too bad, so we stayed in the West Harbor. Absolutely had a blast. Caught a lot of fish on my bladed enhanced jig, perch color. We did. I did find a few that Mike caught on a quakey, or quote unquote I think it was one of those hags, prickly pears. Not sure. I think we said in the video, but yeah, it was very interesting. I've never seen them, never even seen them in action. So he did catch quite a few from that. I did watch one that came back and got it. But hey, the day was perfect. It was a beautiful day. Just the winds coming out of the north kind of made it very hard to get on Lake Erie itself. We stayed in West Harbor. It was a phenomenal day. I went up the night before, stayed the night. Awesome dude. Mike, thank you so much for allowing me to come with you in the boat. Dave from National Fishing shows there at Expo in Columbus. I appreciate you guys. You don't even know how much I'm really excited to get started. And I'm actually been I have a few things up my sleeve coming up, but definitely excited about the fact that I got to spend the afternoon and or half a day with Mike Quinlan. So he got to see a lot of cool stuff. He's going to be he's actually got a tournament coming up pretty soon. When you guys see this, he'll have a tournament coming up. I did give him a couple baits, so hopefully he'll throw them when he's out there. That'd be awesome. And make sure you go check out Mike Quinlan in the socials, as well as Dave and the National Fishing Expo. I can't say enough to those guys. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. Thank you. That's all I got for the video. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for swinging by as always. God bless. Timelines. We are out of here.